Hello everybody, my name is Matt Smith. I'm the Director of National Accounts for Graphic Solutions Group. Today I'd like to talk to you about flexible tubing for exterior signs. Now everybody's familiar with border tubing that everybody's been selling for many years, red, blue, green, different colors, rigid, extremely good, extremely useful, but you cannot bend it. So the big thing that we're having right now is everybody's wanting to do something with more flex to it, or open face channel letters, skeleton neon looking flex. So what we have here, as you can see, this is a piece of red, and it is actually red on both sides, red lit and red not lit. But you can see that I can bend it so much more than I could the rigid, of course. So this gives a lot of flexibility. The thing that you need to know when you're ordering your flexible tubing is, do you need a side bend like this material, so it's making a channel letter like this, or this material here is a back bend. So this can bend back on itself, but you cannot bend it to the side the way I just did with the red one. So that's what the key thing that you want to learn on it is, how you want to do, what you want to have it with. You can see the big thing that we're getting a lot of people asking us about is making skeleton neon. Like if this torchy sign here, this is 6 feet tall, radius, circular sign, and you can see this one's 6 feet tall, that it will have all these different colors in it. It does a great job. Unfortunately, some vendors will have it, the shell will be the same color day and night, and some vendors don't. So you want to make sure you clarify that. The other thing that's very important is where the cut point is. Customers have to know that when you're with the LEDs, you cannot just cut this tubing anywhere. They have specific cut points. Some vendors have it where they're 4 inches apart. Some vendors have it they're 1.25 inches apart. So that's going to make a difference on how long your piece is. So you want to take that into consideration. So when we're talking about the differences between the different products, this is the normal size product, and this is what I would call a mini. And you can see the difference, how thick this one is. So this is very good for straight runs, border tubing, but I can get good bends on it, but not as tight as I can with this one. So if I'm needing to do something very small, I would want to go with this one, and I have one even smaller than that. It's a micro, but it's just much easier to bend because it's smaller. Please send us a drawing, something you're interested in doing. We'd be more than happy to help you and get these laid out. I'm probably doing about 12 of these a week right now for different customers. If you have any questions, please contact myself or anybody at GSG, and as always, follow us on all the social media platforms. Thank you very much and have a great day.